Well, I thought I had my microphone, but I don't. I ordered one from Amazon, but I ordered the wrong one. So now I got to take it back. So now you guys got to listen to me talk with no microphone, but I think we will be okay. Hello, everybody. Happy New Year. I haven't been in this space for a while, but today I feel good. I feel like I have a burst of energy for some reason. And so I was like, let me record a video. And since it's a new year, let's talk about hair growth because our locks over here are still growing. Getting over some type of cold. But anyway, my locks are growing. And so I just kind of wanted to talk about lock growth because why not? So I didn't really like number. So we'll just talk about a few things for healthy lock growth. Guess what? I found a microphone. It's big. It's not like my little one that I can clip on, but it's going to do, and it's going to be down here in my lap. So like I was saying before, I really didn't write down anything. I'm just coming from the dome here. So it's not numbered in any particular order. We can just talk about how to have long, healthy locks. So number one for me, what I think has helped my journey is the fact that I don't retwist per se. I do braid my hair at the roots. You guys who've been around know that that's what I do. That's how I tame my roots. I just braid my hair and it kind of tames my roots, and that's good enough for me. So I think the benefit of me doing that is that it's not putting as much tension on my hair. Now, your locks, I feel in most cases, like 98% of the time, no matter what you do, they'll probably grow. I don't know if I've ever ran into anyone who said my locks are not growing. Is that an issue? I don't know. If it is, let me know. But I think no matter what, your locks are going to grow because you are ultimately doing less with your hair, I hope, right? You're doing less than what you would do with a natural loose hairstyle. Now, saying all that to say, do you want long unhealthy locks or do you want long healthy locks? If you want long healthy locks, then you're going to have to do like you're gonna have to like leave your hair alone. Just leave it alone. And when I say leave it alone, I mean least amount of retwist as possible, least amount of product in your hair as possible. For me, I only use a little bit of apricot oil. After I wash, I just put it on and then I retwist. I don't even, y'all know I love my Carol's Daughter black vanilla Tui oil. I don't know. I think that's the name of it. The black. Y'all know I love that oil, but I don't use it a lot anymore. I only use it right after I right after I braided my hair for the first time. I might put some on and then maybe a few days later. So like in between my washes, I might only use it once or twice. And I've noticed by me doing that, like I have less flakes. It's so weird. I don't know why. Somebody commented something about less oil, like less flakes, and it all made sense what they said. I can't remember, but so I don't even use that as much anymore. I think when we put a lot of products in our hair, it weighs our hair down. It just weighs it down. We can wash it, we can do a deep cleanse, whatever. But I mean, our hair is matte. Our locks are matte. It's hair that's matted together. So while you'll get a good cleaning, I'm sure, you know, like will it get everything out? I don't know about that. So I want to try to put the least amount of product in my hair as possible. Going a little bit back to the less tension on your hair as possible. Less tension. Like I don't put a lot of tension on my locks now. Before in my other lock journeys, I would wear ponytails and that caused, of course, breakage. My locks still grew, but my edges were just getting like beat up. So we don't want that anymore. So this hairstyle, I know somebody asked me, was it heavy? Not heavy at all. Number one, I don't have any product in my hair. Number two, it's just not like a heavy hairstyle. I don't feel like, you know, like I'm weighing down my locks. So we want to do the least amount of tension as possible. All right, guys, let's finish up this video. So I'm actually taking down my 6-day braid out. And another tip for long, healthy locks. Another tip for long, healthy locks would be to make sure you tie your hair, wrap your hair up every night, because it's just the best thing to do. Or if you have like a satin pillowcase, which I don't have one yet, so I just make sure I wrap my hair up every night so that your locks don't dry out. And then another benefit is eating healthy, drinking a lot of water, eating healthy. That is going to help your overall body, skin, hair, nails, all that good stuff, right? Because what you put in is going to like display on the outside. So I've talked about this before. You know, you are what you eat. So if you want to look good, feel good, you got to eat foods that are good. So that is the thing. Okay, I'm about to finish taking these out, and then we will come back and wrap it up. I hope these tips are helping you guys. It's basic. I mean, I think the main thing is like, just don't overdo it. Simple is the best way. And that's kind of with everything in life. Okay, we got a side part going on here, but remember, I'm not a side part girly, I'm a middle girly, only because like it gets in my face. It looks cute though. I should leave it like that, but I don't know. Is it gonna bother me the whole day? Because I do gotta go to work, so we'll see. So that is it, you guys. I just wanted to come in and give some quick little tips on how to get long, healthy locks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.